Update here. Sorry I'm a little hoarse. I don't know why, but this is the old broken fan. This is the same one. I didn't even do anything. It's just going faster now. It's going a lot faster. That's a lot better, although it has that broken bracket now. You can see it's a moon bracket. One of them broke. Memphis? I know it's out of focus all the time. It's messed up. But yeah, replace the globe. See, those are the original ones. That's replaced. Hey Elvis. Got the plastic poles on it. I guess they went back to plastic instead of metal. All the fans here have the original poles on them. See? Well, I can't show you the one in the bedroom, but see? This is the oldest one in the house. This is the third fan that was put up. The other two, the first two, have been replaced. But now this is the oldest one that's in here. And it is gonna stay. It's not going anywhere. But look, they don't have any writing on them. It's kind of weird. Yeah.